Hi, we're at UDT 2025 just outside Oslo in Norway, and I am now on the BAE Systems booth, standing next to that really nice and large Type 26 frigate model as the British shipbuilder is pitching this frigate design to the Royal Norwegian Navy. I am meeting with Darren Grint, business development lead for the Norwegian campaign here at UDT 2025. Darren, good morning, great to see you.
Yeah, good morning.
What can you tell us regarding your Type 26 pitch to the Royal Norwegian Navy? What would make this frigate, the right design for the Royal Norwegian Navy need?
So I think the first place to answer that would be to go back to the Norwegian long-term defence plan and their requirement for an ASW frigate to operate in the demanding, challenging environment of the high north, for which Type 26 was designed to do. So 26 has been designed from the keel up as a submarine hunting frigate. So this is not a frigate that can do ASW. This is an ASW frigate. So I think that is why 26 as a frigate for Norway would, I think, suit the Norwegian requirement.
What we're seeing here is the configuration for the Royal Norwegian Navy. I see a Merlin helicopter with the Norwegian crest on it. What are some of the differences between this configuration and the baseline configuration for the Royal Navy?
Well, hopefully none. Our plan, the UK proposition, is to invite Norway to join the existing Type 26 production programme in Glasgow, where we're now on to Ship 5 of 8 for the Royal Navy. So we've cut steel on Ship 5. So we have 5 Type 26s in various stages of delivery to the UK. HMS Glasgow, first of class, she's having the systems fitted, final systems being fitted, and she'll be entering sea trials very soon. So it's about joining that existing production line and taking the same capability. And in terms of Type 26, that's combat-proven capability as well. That's combat-proven capability from the Red Sea, which we've recently been experiencing. So that is what will be fitted to Type 26. And that includes the frigate with the helicopter, the Merlin helicopter, which is all part of that complete and integrated ASW kill chain. So again, going back to the original requirement of an ASW frigate with the helicopter and the ship, that's what you get with Type 26.
Right, and I believe a strong sonar suite, because similar to what's on the proven Type 23 design.
Well, for Type 26, the requirement from the UK was to take that world-leading Type 23 ASW capability and improve it, enhance it even further. And that's why I think Australia and Canada selected 26 for their programs. They wanted that same ASW capability. So yeah, as I said at the beginning, the ship has been designed right from the outset, right from the beginning, from the keel up, to be quiet, to be an ASW frigate. And the sonar suite that is fitted to the ship, so you get the maximum capability out of that sonar suite. If you have a noisy ship, then what's the point in having the world's best ASW capability fitted?
What about weapon systems? I see a large number of, anti-ship missile launchers, of course, naval strike missiles by Kongsberg produced here in Norway. A large number of VLS cells as well. Can you tell us more?
Yep, sure. So starting with naval strike missiles, so the Royal Navy has selected naval strike missile to go on to its Type 23 frigates, and that's been fitted. It will also go on to the Type 45 destroyers and on to Type 26 as well, and obviously especially for the Norwegian variant. In terms of the vertical launch systems, so we have 48 cells for CAM Sea Scepter, and then at the front of the ship we also have 24 strike length Mark 41 cells. So that gives the ship the flexibility to fit a wide range of weapon types, Tomahawk, other air defence systems, and future weapons as they become available downstream. And I think Mark 41 strike is becoming that standardised vertical launch system now of many of the Western navies to give it the flexibility that users need. And then we have the 5-inch gun, which is I think the most installed naval gun in the world out of the US, and there's currently a speeding up of introducing the high velocity projectile into service. Again, I think the Red Sea operations, the feedback points to something of that requirement that's needed. So we hope to see that coming online, as well as an additional capability for the 5-inch gun. I think one of the other important features of Type 26 is the mission bay. So this is the largest, or one of the largest mission bays in the frigate class around the world at the moment. And this gives the ship that additional adaptability and flexibility to load whichever capability is required for the mission type. Anything from humanitarian through to UAVs, USVs, or extra accommodation for special forces.
Very well, Darren. Lastly, when do we expect a decision? I believe sometime this summer, the final selection of the design.
I think that's the plan that the Norwegian government are working to. Obviously, they're in charge, they're in control. So, but we'll work to that and react as required. But yeah, hopefully we'll have a conclusion this year.
Very well, Darren. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.